Today we will see what is a vision mission of our departments. So for this one, student will go for the website IOP Lonere. So in this website, student will go for the department page. So I will click it here. In departmental page, you will get all the informations for vision missions, then PEO, PO and PSO. So first we'll go for the vision of our departments. So department pursue to facilitate contemporary technical education in the field of electronics and telecommunication engineering by imparting scientific temper in the students, leading towards producing world class technicians able to solve real life problems and foster a successful careers. Missions to provide the best facility, infrastructure and environment to its students and faculty members, creating an ambience encouraging for excellence in technical educations. To provide quality education to keep pace with the modern scientific and technological developments, to provide a healthy technology to support in sustaining and improving the socio-economical quality of life, to implement the best pedagogical methods for optimum knowledge and skill transfer. So this is a vision and mission of departments. Now we'll go for POs and PSOs of departments. So firstly, program educational objective, that is POs. So PEO first preparation to mold the student as versatile engineers having ability to complex problem solving, to take up a higher studies for leading the organization towards excellence. PEO second core competence to produce skilled engineers with conceptually adopt technology for analyzing, designing and solving engineering problems. Then PEO's third breadth to develop and maintain the engineering applications useful for society with state of art technologies. Then PEO fourth professionalism to cultivate social and ethical values, teamwork, bring holistic development of personality and to promote entrepreneurial orientation among the students. Then PO fifth learning environment to provide conductive learning environment for students and faculty to share knowledge and inculcate culture of continuous learning. Program specific outcome PSOs, student will be able to apply the skill in development of small product in the field of electronics and technological engineering. Student will be able to utilize free and open source hardware and software in the field of electronic and telecommunication engineering. Then last program outcome POs, student will be able to apply basic knowledge of science, mathematics, engineering and electronics and telecommunication engineering. Second, student will be able to identify and analyze engineering problems with standard methods. Student will be able to design develop solutions for well defined technical problems to meet specific needs. Student will be able to carry experiments, test and measurement of developed solutions by applying recent hardware and software tools. Student will be able to apply technology with social, environmental, sustainable perspective for professionalism and ethical responsibility. Student will be able to demonstrate ability to work individual or as a leader in project management and effectively communicate about activities. Student will be able to develop ability to lifelong learning in the engineering fields. Thank you.